Hey guys, Johnny here from TechMajesty.com. Today I'll be showing you how to permanently factory unlock your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 step by step using an unlock code. This method will also work to unlock the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and Note 10 Plus 5G as well. We can unlock your phone regardless of any outstanding balances, financing, contracts, blacklist status, etc. The unlock will not affect your warranty. It will increase the resale value of your phone, and you'll be able to use the phone with any GSM carrier of your choice. All you need in order to unlock the phone is an unlock code and a non-allowed SIM card, which is basically a SIM card that's not from your original carrier. So let's begin. The first thing we will need is the 15-digit IMEI number, which you can get by going to the dialer of the phone and dialing star pound 06 pound. This will give you the 15-digit IMEI. So now that we have the IMEI number of the phone, we will go on the computer and open the internet browser to go to TechMajesty.com. Once we are on this website, we will place an order to unlock our Samsung phone. We will go to the Samsung unlock code section. Then we will choose the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, since that's the phone we're unlocking today. Then in the carrier option, you will choose the carrier your phone is locked to, such as AT&T, Cricket, Spectrum, Xfinity Mobile, etc. My phone is locked to AT&T, so that's the carrier I'll be choosing. Then, in the IMEI number field, you will enter the 15-digit IMEI number that we got in the beginning of the video. After that, then you have the option to choose these three optional services. The first option will make your phone work on Verizon plus all other GSM carriers as well. If you only want to use the phone on GSM carriers after the unlock, then no need to choose this option. Second one is the bloatware removal service, which will remove all carrier branding from your phone and will make it into a stock Samsung phone. Third one is express processing to get your unlock done in 1 to 2 hours. Again, these are all optional services and you can choose them if you'd like. Then you will click on the Add to Cart button and go through the checkout process to complete your order. Once you complete the checkout, you will receive an email within the stated time frame with your phone's unlock code. The email will look like this and say order enclosed. The email will contain your unique unlock code and your step-by-step instructions to complete the unlock. So now that we have the unlock code, let's move on to entering it into the phone. In order for the unlock prompt to come up, we will insert a non-allowed SIM into the phone. So let's remove the SIM card tray from the phone. My phone is locked to AT&T, so I will be inserting a T-Mobile SIM card into the phone. Here's the T-Mobile SIM card. Okay, as soon as I insert the SIM tray back into the phone, it will automatically ask for the network unlock code. And as you can see, it says enter network unlock code. And this is where you will enter the unlock code that you received from TechMajesty.com. So let me go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so now that I've entered it, I'll click on the unlock button. And there you go, network unlock successful. So that message means that this phone is now permanently factory unlocked. You will now start receiving signal from your new carrier. As you can see, T-Mobile is listed right there. And we have started receiving signal at the top right hand corner of the screen. So guys, it's as easy as that to unlock your Samsung phone and to start using it with any GSM carrier of your choice in the US or internationally. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.